KSL.com.
That's still pretty cool to see, John.
That's really
every time.
Cool.
I kind of want to do that little drive up there, the four-wheel drive, and then do the little hike and see it.
A couple hours.
Yep.
But it's worth it. Speaking of Chopper 5, we were up and this is east of Heber, and there's still plenty of snow on the ground. It continues to get deeper and deeper with each successive storm. Marion Littlefield was at the Kodachrome Basin and took this magnificent picture. Isn't that beautiful? That snow in southern Utah, it amounted to quite a bit, especially in some of the higher elevations. Look how much snow is on the ground at Alta. If you're thinking about a sick day, 168 inches of snow. Beaver Mountain 119, Brighton 134, Deer Valley 117. Can you think of coming off Empire Canyon and doing a little bit of this and all of that? There's still some powder. I'm sure you can find it. Park City 119, 124 at Powder Mountain, 156 at Snowbird. Unbelievable. 138% of the normal snowpack. Bluff today, you had a 40-degree temperature variance from 20 up to 60. Eden was 48. Farmington 54 today. Layton 53. A trace of rain. No, actually, it was snow this morning. Had a report of about a ½ an inch of snow as well on the ground in Montpelier. So a little bit of snow that fell briefly over the Bear River Range. Warm spot in the state, St. George, 67. Vernal was 46. Everybody's warming up, except for Rock Springs. Wind and 34 right now. They're at their high temperature for the day. It's always windy in Rock Springs, and you know that. Windy across southwest Wyoming. We have some clouds that are thinning just a little bit across northern Utah. Here is the next storm system that has a nice little comma shape to it. Ahead of that storm, we have very warm air that is beginning to push northward, and as it does, south winds of 15 to 30 miles per hour will blow tomorrow, and this is where the storm will be at 6 a.m. So it'll move through very quickly, midnight to 6 a.m. Little rain in the valley, little snow, maybe a ½ an inch on the bench, and then gone. This is Saturday's storm, and it's a very weak storm, so a half and half weekend. Saturday kind of spitty, sputty, sputtery showers and gone. Sunday looks pretty good. Eastern Utah, the storm will primarily miss you. Next 2 days, next 3 days, for that matter, look very good. In fact, southern Utah's St. George and Utah's Dixie will stay dry for the next 7 days. In fact, the next 7-day forecast, the only day not in the 70s is Tuesday. 70 to 75, well, almost, for the next 7 days. Along the Wasatch Front, that little weak storm system brings the south wind up 60 after the heavy snow we had several days ago. Warmest day of the year, first day at 60, and then this little storm comes in tomorrow night between midnight and 6 a.m. It will make the roads wet for the commute. I don't believe it'll be a snow problem for us except for in the canyons. A little rain and snow Saturday. There's another little one on Tuesday. Otherwise, we're in that March weather pattern.
Yep.
Sure. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
A risk